Were you on that container case?
Nope. I'm not even allowed to suggest anything that is related to Carlton Wallace.
Why? Life is not without a sense of humor, eh? I mean, just look at us now, in this moment.
The irony, right?
I never saw this coming.
Neither did I. Yeah. Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Were you in love with Angie?
What? Oh, where that come from?
I'm just curious. Since I'm the second agent you've been involved with, so I wanted to know if it's a trend.
No, it wasn't. Look, it's not a trend. You were put on me to observe and report to your boss. That was your assignment. Me and Angie, we met and it developed in our relationship.
Mary, you know, but you still haven't answered my question.
No. I wasn't in love with her.
Really? So it was just a fling?
Why would I discuss this?
I guess I just wanted to see if you'd change your ways. After all, you were married to one friend and in love with another. And not to mention sleeping with your brother's wife and the countless women you've been involved with. You've had a very colorful love life, Mr. Wallace.
Celine, I feel like I get interrogated again.
All right, I'm sorry.
Look, I'm no saint. I have done things that I'm not proud of. But with age and experience come wisdom. And now I'm able to differentiate between right and wrong, especially in my personal life.
Carlton, the closest I've come to having a real relationship was with you. And that was tarnished by the agency assignment. Then my worst fear happened when I had to walk into that interrogation room and revealed who I was and interrogate you.
That I will go down as one of the most shocking moments in my life.
I'll never forget that look on your face. And that's why I had to find a way to make it up to you.
Well, you did. You did.
Did I?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think we could function in a normal relationship?
Not in Jamaica. I'm sure Mr. Mullings will make your life hard at the agency.
What if I decided to leave?
What? What are you saying?
I'm saying, what if I decided to resign and live a normal life?
You would do that?
For you, yes.